Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background noise using InShot apps. So the first thing that you can do is add the video that you want to edit into InShot, and after that you can see this is the background noise, and what you need to do is just click on the video and here swipe until you find this volume options. Then you can click on this denoise option. After that you can adjust the volume to your liking and just click on the check icon, and after that the noise will be reduced in your video. Or if you want to, you can also click on volume and just mute it or set the volume to 0. Click on the check icon, and after that you can add audio in here. You can add music or effects or record your voice. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.